Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down.
Align the top tabs and press inward to secure your housing cover.
Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.